Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be talking about Factor 75, a meal delivery service that offers healthy, pre-cooked meals that are designed to be nutritious and convenient, and what their meal portion sizes are. Now before we begin, if at any point you'd like to check out and try Factor 75 for yourself with a little discount, you'll find all the useful links in the description down below. Now the portion sizes for Factor 75 meals vary depending on the meal and the meal plan chosen. However, each meal is designed to be nutritionally balanced and to provide an appropriate number of calories based on your dietary needs and preferences. For example, a typical lunch or dinner meal from Factor 75 may contain around 400 to 600 calories, while breakfast meals may contain around 300 to 400 calories. Additionally, the portion sizes of Factor 75 meals are carefully measured and balanced to provide an appropriate amount of macronutrients such as protein, fat, and carbohydrates, as well as micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals, ensuring optimal health and wellness. Also, Factor 75 offers different meal plans based on the number of meals per week, so you can choose a plan that fits your dietary goals and calorie needs. But what makes Factor 75 one of the best meal kit services out there?
Now, Factor 75 is a top choice for a meal delivery service, as I've had a really positive experience with it and enjoyed many delicious and fulfilling meals. Now, one of the most significant benefits of using Factor 75 is the convenience they offer. They deliver pre-cooked meals directly to your doorstep, eliminating the need for time-consuming grocery shopping, meal planning, and cooking. Also, each meal is pre-portioned and comes with easy-to-follow heating instructions, making it easy to enjoy a healthy and delicious meal in just a few minutes. Additionally, Factor 75 sources high-quality, organic, and sustainably raised ingredients to create flavorful and healthy meals, setting it apart from other services that may prioritize convenience over nutrition. They work with a network of small-scale farmers and producers to source their ingredients, ensuring that they're of the highest quality and sustainably produced. Additionally, Factor 75 uses eco-friendly packaging materials to minimize their environmental impact, making them a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious. Also, Factor 75 boasts a menu with a variety of meals available. They offer a wide selection of meals, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, as well as snacks and desserts. Additionally, each meal is created by professional chefs who use a variety of cooking techniques and high-quality ingredients to ensure that the food is flavorful and satisfying. Now, the main feature that sets Factor 75 apart from other meal delivery services is their focus on nutrition. The company's meals are designed to be nutrient-dense, which means they contain a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients per calorie. Additionally, Factor 75's meals are tailored to specific dietary needs, such as paleo, keto, and low-carb diets, making it easier for you to follow a healthy eating plan that's perfect for your needs. Now, Factor 75 can be a bit pricey. However, this is to be expected given the high-quality ingredients used in the meals and the convenience of having pre-made meals delivered straight to your door. The company offers several pricing plans depending on the number of meals and servings that you choose. And while this may seem pricey, it's important to remember that Factor 75 is offering a healthy and convenient alternative to traditional takeout or home-cooked meals, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to prioritize their health and well-being while also saving valuable time. All in all, Factor 75 is a great option for individuals who are looking for a convenient and healthy meal delivery service. Their focus on nutrition, sustainability, and high-quality ingredients really sets them apart from other meal delivery services on the market. While the service can seem expensive, the convenience and quality of the meals makes it a worthwhile investment for individuals who are low on time and prioritize their health and well-being.
So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Factor 75, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts as well as an in-depth review in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I really like getting to interact with my viewers, and like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one.